the four principles of flight. They are going to be lift, gravity, force or weight, thrust, and drag. Okay, once again, that's lift, gravity, thrust, and drag. And the two forces, lift and drag, those are known as aerodynamic forces because those forces are going to act on the aircraft as it is in motion while flying. All right. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple aircraft. And you kids have mentioned that you're really interested in the drone flying, so we're going to fly one of those. But let's take a look at three of these craft that we're going to be flying. This is a model airplane. Okay. And lift is due to the wing of the aircraft. And to be more precise, the shape of the aircraft, and in the next lesson we'll talk about the geometry of the wings and how they apply to giving an airplane lift. But the wings are responsible for lift, and what's going to happen is that we are going to have air is going to travel faster, okay, over the top of the wing than here at the bottom of the wing. And this change, or this airflow, I should say, okay, this differences in airflow, okay, is going to create a lower pressure on the top of the wing and higher pressure on the bottom of the wing, and that's going to create lift. And that applies to our fixed wing aircraft, the airplane. And over here we're going to fly this helicopter. That's pretty cool. And if you look at this rotor blade, right, it spins around, around, but this thing is, believe it or not, it's a wing, just like here on the airplane. And the same principle for lift applies. Okay, and we'll talk about once again the geometry of the wing and how it enables an aircraft to fly or give it lift. But once again, the wing above the rotor blade is going to travel faster than that of the bottom on the bottom. So these differences in airflow, you're going to have higher pressure on the bottom of the wing than on the top of the wing here, and that's going to create lift. And what you've all been waiting for, the drone, okay, same principle applies, okay, to these rotary rings, just like here on the helicopter. You're going to have lower pressure on the top, okay, greater pressure on the bottom, okay, greater flow of air at the top than you do here at the bottom. Okay, so with that, we're going to go out to the airfield.